Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video we are going to discuss how to properly use YouTube search filter. If you search something, how can you get better result with YouTube search filter? This is going to help you for your content creation and more, and increase your search capability in YouTube. So normally we search on YouTube. Go to search option and here we search. If I search something from here, so I search on funny videos. So you can see there are so many funny videos. If I go to filter, you can see there are lot more options: upload date, type, duration, features, and short by. So I'm coming with the first one, upload date. This is the upload date, this year, this month, week, today, or last hour. If you search something recent topic, you can go with this one, today, last hour, or this week, or this month. So this is going to help you for a recent upload video. In this way, you can see the latest upload video. So this is going to be helpful for those people who want to learn something new. If I give you example, tutorial, new tutorial, easy way you can find this in the upload date. You don't need to search like this, go down and down. You just use YouTube search filter from here. So this is our first one, and second one is type. So in here, what type of thing you want to search on YouTube? Video, channel, playlist, or movie? If I search on playlist, you can see the playlist option is enabled. You only see the playlist from here. If I click on channel, in the funny videos name channel, you can see the funny video channel. Funny videos or fun limited or funny videos, same related channel you can find here, funny videos. In the filter section, if I click on movie, you can see if there are any movie available in this topic, funny video. So next we are going to duration. What type of duration video you want? Under 4 minutes or 4 to 20 minutes, over 20 minutes. So if I click on 4 minutes, you can see less than 4 minute video. You can see under 4 minutes. If I click on 4 to 20 minutes, you can see 4 to 20 minute video from here. More than 4 minutes and less than 20 minutes. So I hope you understand this. Now we move on the features section from here. In feature, you can see live, 4K, HD, subtitles, CC, Creative Commons. Later we have a dedicated video about Creative Commons, how we can use this Creative Commons for your YouTube channel and how can we make best result from it. VRAT, 3D, HDR, location and purchase. So if I click on 4K, you can see only 4K video. If I click on subtitle CC, all this video have subtitle available in this video. If I go to this section, short by, you can see there are 4 options: relevance, upload date, view count, and rating. If I click on upload date, you can see the latest video, the last hour video you can see in here, 5 hour, 4 hour, 1 hour video. You can see available latest, all this latest video are available in here. If you click on view count, you can see the most viewed video in this section, 379 million and 475 million. All this trending video in here. If I click on rating, all this video are available with rating. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe this channel for more videos. In later, we are going to create a dedicated video about Creative Commons. So stay tuned for more videos.